If you're seeing a Pixlr forbidden error or a 403 message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Pixlr working again. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and the best part is that most of these fixes take less than a minute each. So if Pixlr is blocking you, refusing to load, or showing access denied, stick with me and we'll fix it together. And before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open a private window. This is one of the easiest ways to test whether the issue is being caused by saved cookies, cached sessions, or a browser conflict. On most browsers, you can open an incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Once the private window opens, go to Pixlr and try loading the site again. If Pixlr works here, that's a strong sign the problem is related to your normal browser data or extensions. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear Pixlr site data. To do that, click the padlock icon or the site controls next to the address bar while you're on the Pixlr page. Then open Site Settings or look for the Cookies and Site Data section. From there, select Clear Data. This removes stored site information that may be causing the 403 forbidden error. After clearing the data, reload the page and test Pixlr again. Now let's move on to browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers can sometimes interfere with Pixlr and trigger access errors. Open your browser's extensions menu and temporarily disable anything that could block site content. If you're not sure which one is causing the issue, disable them all for testing, then reload Pixlr. If it starts working, you can turn the extensions back on one by one until you find the one that caused the conflict. If Pixlr still isn't loading properly, the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. A VPN or proxy can sometimes make Pixlr think your connection is suspicious or coming from a restricted location. Turn off your VPN completely and also disable any proxy settings you may have enabled on your device or browser. Then try opening Pixlr again. In many cases, simply disconnecting from the VPN fixes the forbidden error right away. If you're still stuck, do a hard refresh. This forces your browser to reload the page without relying on old cached files. Right-click on the page and choose Inspect, then right-click the Reload button and select Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This is especially useful if Pixlr is loading outdated page data or broken files from your browser cache. After that, give the page a fresh try. By this point, one of these fixes should solve the Pixlr forbidden error or 403 issue. The most common solutions are opening a private window, clearing site data, disabling extensions, turning off VPN or proxy settings, and performing a hard refresh. These steps are safe, quick, and usually enough to get access restored. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy software fix guides. And if you want, I can also help you with more Pixlr troubleshooting tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.